All right, so right now we're putting on the front lip, eBay lip. I'll link it down in the description. Nothing crazy, but it's just a $30 eBay lip. Right, so we mocked it up with tape first. My brother, it's way easier with 2 people, so go ahead and get another person, get a friend. And then put a screw right here. Just screw it into the bumper. I don't know if you can see it or not. Screw it into the bumper, and then this is just something from my fender well that I used. Fender liner, a T27, I believe. Screw that into the lip too. I'm gonna put another one right here, around here, and I'll probably fill in the gaps right here and right here, and do the same thing on the other side. Screw here, 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 and then the middle and middle. Where's she at? Look at that. What the? Why she got a jacket on? What the? Why does she have a jacket on?
Because it's cold out here, man.
Wait, Coco, let me see. Let me see. She got a hood. What the heck?
It has a hole in the middle of the back so she can you can still attach a leash to.
Coco, let me see your jacket. What in the world? Coco, nice and warm. So put it like right here. Yeah, do it towards the end. That's right, Coco. Back up. Back up. It lifted.
Yeah, lift it up.
I'm gonna take it out.
Alright, go. Alright, there we go. It's coming through.
Yep. Perfect. Alright, so that's how you do it. I already did these, so I'm just gonna fill in the gaps like I said earlier. And then we're gonna do it, and then these are the other side the same. The front lip. You can't see it. There we go. This one's gonna be for another video. Front lip.